The ponds, there is an area called pyramidal region where they basically cross. So all the connections in the brain cross over at that region, basically. So
is there any advantage for the
crossing over?
Crossing, or is it just
so
like
there has been some evolutionary explanation for why it has been crossed over, because at some point in a evolution, a small worm, if you prick it on the other way, it just escapes on the other side, something like that. So it's not very clear as why the contralateral mapping has to be there, but since we have evolved it that way, we have it there. So there is no particular explanation for that.
So only mammals have this cross thing, or?
So worms and all, they have diffuse brain all over the
so they don't have a fixed structure like this. They have nuclei throughout.
So as you asked, only mammals do have this kind of crossing over in many ways. So you don't want to know where you are being, you're constantly hearing what I'm speaking. Don't you want to know where it is being processed in the brain?
No, where does it go?
Come with some enthusiasm. Don't you want to know where it is being processed? So there is an area called temporal lobe, okay, over which there is a thin strip of brain region where you basically process the information from the ears, okay. So whatever I speak, you are understanding it, right? So it is also doing something more than what I speak. So you are able to understand the language. I am speaking in a particular language with a set of rules and grammar, and you are able to understand it right then. So what are all your mother tongue? Most probably Kannada, right? So I speak some other language, and you are still able to understand it. Kannada has a different grammar compared to English, right? So you're able to understand what I'm speaking. I have no idea how the grammar rules are being fixed in the brain when I speak and you understand. So there are certain areas in the brain which process such information. Okay, nothing will happen. It's just water. Okay, so that's the area. So next time, if you hear somebody saying that, or if you would like to tell somebody that which area processes the information from the auditory cortex, it's called the temporal lobe.